Okay, welcome to crypto mining and trading using your mobile phone. This is another video. We are going to check on top crypto betting sites 2025, best crypto betting guide. So here I am mining cryptocurrency. This is for big miner and it runs for 24 hours. Check on my links and one of the videos will give you the link and code to get into Obake Miner. Now, let's continue here. Crypto betting is gaining mainstream momentum as bettors seek anonymous, fast and potentially lucrative alternatives to traditional gambling. Leading platform now support multiple cryptocurrencies, offer high-value bonuses, and cater to both sportsbook and casino enthusiasts. This guide reveals the best crypto betting sites in 2025, aligned with features like speed, markets, safety, and user experience. Table of contents. We are going to check on what makes a great crypto betting site. Leading crypto betting sites of 2025. We have stock.com, cloudbet, BC Game, Coin Casino, sportsbet.io, and vaven.com, Bet Online and MyStake, Cryptorino and Metaspins, Jackbit and BetPlay. Sorry. Bonuses and promotions. Worth the bet. Fast withdrawals and KYC considerations. Risk and regulatory notes. Community testimonies. Choosing the best site for you. Stay safe in crypto betting. Final verdict: the best crypto betting in 2025. Okay. What makes a great crypto betting site? First, evaluate platforms based on these critical criteria: cryptocurrency variety and speed, multiple coins supported, low fees, and fast withdrawals. So, these are the things you should consider while choosing the best betting site. Before you start, you should make sure you've gone through these criteria. Sorry, let me connect my phone and come back. I wanted to show you exactly what I usually do through mining. I'm a crypto miner using my mobile phone. So I like sharing my screen, showing you exactly what I do. So right here, this is this display of my phone. This is called Rabbit Network, and I usually mine. So let's continue. Let's continue.
Stop playing fake slots. Just delete it and try this game. You'll hit jackpots in just 10 spins, and the payouts are extremely high. Even if you got a few coins left, you can hit a jackpot up to 20 trillion. More than 10 million players in America play this game, and they absolutely love it. What are you waiting for?
Great crypto betting sites. You are going to evaluate cryptocurrency variety and speed. Multiple coins supported, low fees and fast withdrawals. Market depth. Diverse sportsbook options, including traditional sports, esports, politics, and events. Bonus offering. Generous welcome bonuses and promotional structure. Licensing and security. Regulated or self-regulated with SSL, KYC policies, and strong encryption. User experience accessibility and accessibility on desktop, mobile friendly, and robust customer support. So let's move next. Stake is stake.com. We're going to start with stake.com. Stake is a top tier crypto sports book and casino. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and more. Offers smooth live betting and provides swift development and withdrawals. Stake.
Stop playing fake slots. Just delete it and try this game. You'll hit jackpots in just 10 spins, and the payouts are extremely high. Even if you got a few coins.
Remove this. Okay, sorry. Let me continue. Stake is user-friendly, despite some regional restrictions, remains a popular choice. Number 2, we have Cloudbet, an established platform since 2013. Cloudbet specializes in high-stakes betting with minimum KYC, fast payouts, and broad market coverage, including major sports, niche events, and esports. User highlights its seamless experience with VIP perks. We have BC.game, known for its wide crypto options, over 50 coins. BC.game combines casino games with sports betting across 80 plus markets, including esports. It also offers large bonuses, daily challenges, and community rewards. We have Coin Casino, a well-rounded platform offering 4 plus sports, live betting, poker, and casino play. It accepts BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and more, with mobile-friendly design and round-the-clock support. The platform compensates with a massive 30,000 welcome bonus and 25% cashback. Sportsbet.io and Valve.com. Both platforms allow betting on BTC, Ethereum, and Doge, and others. Sportsbet.io is known for speed and coverage, while Valve adds live streaming and strong esport hoods. We have Bet Online and MyStake. Bet Online and MyStake. Ranked highly for bonus offering and sportsbook features, Bet Online delivers in-play wagering with generous match bonuses, while MyStake stands out for free bets, cashback, and wide market coverage. Cryptorino and Metaspins. Featuring mobile apps, Cryptorino supports Bitcoin, Doge, and XRP, among others, while 100% welcome up to 1 BTC and weekly free bets. Metaspins offers multi-network crypto support and welcome bonus up to 1 BTC. Jackbit and BetPlay. Jackbit excels with no KYC sign-up, over 25 coins, and strong sportsbook and casino access. BetPlay Betplay.io offers anonymity, wide market coverage, and crypto betting across sports and esports. Bonuses and promotions worth the bet. Most platforms offers welcome bonus ranging from 100% to 200% or even BTC best packs, VIP programs, rakeback and cashback tiers reward loyal bettors. Unique boosts like live betting promos and sports specific extra odds in value. Fast withdrawals and KYC considerations. The fastest crypto sites complete withdrawal within minutes to hours. Platforms like Stake, BC.game, and Cloudbet specialize in zero to minimal KYC reporting. No KYC options like MyStake and Jackbit allow instant privacy, while others may require ID verification. Risk and regulatory notes. Crypto betting grows in unregulated territories with apps like Curacao, Malta, and Costa Rica licensing most operators. While anonymous access is appealing, it also raises security concerns. Users must be cautious, especially in countries where crypto gambling is prohibited. Community testimonials. Have you subscribed? Please kindly before we proceed, make sure you subscribe, hit bell button, like the video, and also alongside here is my TCC network mining, this mobile mining app, which we are mining TCC network coin. You can join using my link and use my invitation code, which is baby Trump right here. So check on my previous videos, and you will see where the link is and the code. You shall continue mining. Community testimonials. Cloudbet makes it quick and straightforward. Odds are competitive. PC game has great community and crypto range with massive bonuses. Feedback highlights platform flexibility, transaction speed, and bonuses balanced with occasional customer support issues. Choosing the best site for you. Ask yourself, which coin are you most comfortable using? Are sports, esports, or casino play your focus? Do you prefer high bonuses or low wallet friction? How much identity verification are you willing to provide? Combining answers to this lets you pinpoint the ideal platform. Stay safe in crypto betting. Use secure wallets. Keep your private keys offline. Use VPN only if local laws restrict platform access. Only bet what you can afford. Crypto is volatile and betting is risky. Read term, especially worker requirements at withdrawal limits. Final verdict, the best crypto betting in 2025. Leading platforms like Stake, Cloudbet, BC.game, and Coin Casino excel across safety, payment speed, bonus structure, and sports coverage. Niche app like Cryptorino, Metaspins, and Betplay offer a great option for mobile or privacy-focused bettors. As crypto betting matures, it remains essential to balance opportunity with awareness and responsibility play. So please, before you continue, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Before you quit, make sure you have hit the bell button and like the video, comment. And please, this is a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. Please, as you taken action concerning betting, please make sure you've done your due diligence research and stay informed so that you don't go by my influence or video influence. Do your own research and be cautious in betting. So I beg to stop there for today, and we shall meet on the next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.